Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to fix suspended TikTok account. Of course, let's open our TikTok account right there. So the first thing you want to do is open the application itself. Now once you're here, go to your profile and look for the three lines right there or the hamburger icon. Go to settings and privacy. Now once you're here, I want you to go to support. Just scroll down a little bit and look for the one that says right there, support. And once you're here, I want you to go to safety. Safety center right there. Now, once you're here, you should look for the one that says community guidelines right here. So let's just look for it right there. Perfect. At the very bottom, open community guidelines. So the reason that I'm showing you this one is I want you to take a scan. Take a review. Did you commit something here? Did you overdo something here? So please make sure you did not anything do wrong here. Now, going back on the profile itself, if you're sure that you didn't violate anything, right here, I want you to go to inbox. Since you've suspended or your account is suspended, I'm pretty sure in system notification inbox, there is an email or a message regarding your suspension. Now, once you're in here, write an appeal, tell them that you did not violate any community guidelines, and basically, I'm pretty sure that your suspension would be over. And basically, that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.